Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Node.js on Windows 10. So go to any browser and type download Node.js and then click on download Node.js. Just go down and make sure to select Windows, then running x64 architecture, then click on Windows installer. The download will start. Now click on next, tick the box for I accept the terms and click on next, then click on next. Now click on next, then click on next. Install. Then click on finish. Now open your command prompt and type node space -v, press enter. You are going to see your Node.js version. So in this way you can download and install Node.js on Windows 10.